So my name is Cody Ashley, and I guess you guys already know that. But today I'm making a video about the worst snowstorm ever, and it's been snowing all night, and it's already morning. And I just want to show you guys that how bad it is. I can barely even stand outside. So if anyone wants to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, and please leave a thumbs up. The more snow that we've been getting, the wetter, the colder. It's already hit below 0 here in Iowa. It's been freezing. And earlier today, I saw a car slide off the road. I seen one of the cars in the parking lot slide and shit. No one should drive in this stuff. It is so powerful. Well, guys, that's it for this video, and have a wonderful night. And thank y'all guys for looking at my video.